Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Just to let you know that I've been working on a project for many months that I really want to talk to you about. It's a course that I've been working on called From Zero to Pro. And it's got 6 parts. Part number 1 is really the basics of photography. I realized I never did a course, which is making sure that you understand the basics of photography, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, how to get sharp photos by hand, how to get sharp photos on a tripod, how to get sharp photos by night, really covering all the basics. This is something I really missed when I started 15 years ago. So that's volume 1 is the basics, plus we're gonna take some really cool photos together in Paris. Then volume 2 is about composition. Also, one mistake I realized in all the training I've been doing over the last 10 years is that I kind of always show the good composition, like my best work. So this time I decided to take a cameraman with me all over Europe this summer, and I really show you all the bad photos and all the trial and error until I really find something that works in terms of composition. And I go into very deeply into the different rules of composition that I use, rule of third, leading lines, framing the frame, telling a story, foreground, middle ground, background, in details. But by seeing the bad examples and seeing the good examples, I think it will teach you composition like I have never done in the past. Volume 3 is retouching. We're going to retouch everything we did in volume 1 and volume 2. I'm going to go for a style called natural drama. So I want epic, I want dramatic photos, but I don't want them to look over retouch. And that's the whole purpose. I also did a mistake years ago of doing like crazy HDRs, and very over-the-top retouching. I'm trying to capture incredible moments of light, and then I'm trying to show them to you in the best possible light, how I remembered it, the exact drama, the exact saturation that I remember. So that's volume 3. Volume 4 is publishing your photos. It is exporting them to the web. It is printing them locally on your printer at home. It is sending it out to a lab for professional print. And also how to make a website, to publish your photos on the web. And I have some tricks on making websites and search engine optimization tricks that's going to blow your mind, that's going to help you get some business with your photos. Volume 5 is all about social media. I'm doing a full Instagram course. I struggled a lot on Instagram. The first 5 years, I went from 0 to 5,000 followers in 5 years. Then in 2 years, I went from 5,000 to almost 120,000. I didn't buy any followers. The way I did it is a very specific workflow, which I'm going to go in detail on that training. Also, I have a full course on YouTube. I went from 0 to over 600,000 followers on YouTube. And there are very important things you need to know about YouTube. Even if you don't want to teach like I'm doing, whatever you're doing, YouTube is vital as a social media. And I'm going to teach you and give you lots of examples on how you can use YouTube in your business. And the last module is about making money. It's about how to get your first job, how to start making money with photography, how to get into galleries, how to get into the press, and how to get published. This course is going to get released on Black Friday, 27 November. So just put in your name so you can get notified when it comes out. You can see my masterclass presenting all this technology and get an amazing launch prize. Okay, I hope you're going to enjoy this. This is something I've been doing because a lot of people have been asking me like, oh, I'm just new to photography, I don't understand this or that. Or also, by reviewing, I get to review many Instagram accounts every day that people send to me, and I see there are things that lack a lot in some of this photography. So it's really for you to send out, it's really for you to not over-retouch your photo, but get the best out of your work, how to compose, how to make stunning composition. So come and join me. It's on the 27th of November, Black Friday. You're going to love it.